So now that we have our white face solved and our first layer solved, we are ready to have our middle layer solved. As you can guess, that is step 2. Now to get the middle layer solved is where our first algorithm comes in. But the algorithm means a series of moves. It's not that complicated, it just means a series of moves. But before we get to the algorithm, this is how you solve the middle layer. So, look for an edge piece of any color. You can't, except for yellow. It has to be either red or blue, or you can't have, for example, this. They can't have this. There's no yellow at the top. Okay? You can't have this. Now, you don't need to fix it right now. It'll come into place. But you can't, it has to be one color and any color but yellow. So for example, I have red and blue. So I want to twist this until I get to the red side, like this. Now, you have to look at the other color, which is in my case blue, and to see which side it is on. The red side, is it on the red's left? Is it on the red's left? Or is it on the red's right? Now in my case, blue is on the red's left. So we're going to follow these series of moves, or algorithms, to solve it. Now, I need you to go get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can take notes, because I made a little algorithm chart for you guys so you can look at it and so you won't get confused. And so then once you solve your Rubik's Cube, you can look at your notes and look at the algorithms that you wrote down so you can solve it again and again. So now, if your color is to the left, this is what you do. UI. Now take a note of this. Put this on the paper. We'll do it with the Rubik's Cube later. UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, FI, or up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Now, let's try it on the Rubik's Cube. So, you do this too once you've taken a note of this. Here, I'll give you some time to take a note. Now, the reason I shaded in the inverted is so it will be easier for you to tell. Like if you can't see the I in the UI, then I shaded it in so you know that it's UI, up inverted. So once you take a note of that, let's do it on the cube. So UI, LI, U, okay, L, U, F, UI, FI. So now your cube should look like this. See? Now, it doesn't have to be with red or blue, because some people will not have a red and blue thing, but it could be with, for example, this, just blue and orange, that, or, let's see, well, for me, that's basically it. But don't worry if you only have one more, because once you do that one, more will come, okay? So, this is, for mine, this is left again, so I'm going to do UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, FI. So you see, now I have this solved, and 2 pieces of this. Now, if you want to do it right, this is your pattern, right here. U, R, UI, RI, UI, FI, U, F, or up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Okay? So, just do that. Then, now if you keep doing that, which we are going to do right now. So, let's see. We have up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. So now, there is a very rare chance that if you do have one more, then you have all of them with yellow. Now if that happens, like it did just happen to me, turn it, for example, yellow and orange. So turn it and then do the sequence again, whichever way you want, and then you will appear with one more, like I did. So, now, I'll give you time to take note of the right and the left at the end of the video. So now we have, for me, up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, perfect. Now here's a chance to do right, okay? See right in action. So right is U, up, R, right, UI, U, up inverted, RI, right inverted, UI, up inverted, FI, front inverted, U, up, F, front. There we go. Now we have our middle layer solved. Now here's some time to take notes of the 2 algorithms that we have to solve the middle layer. That was left. Remember, oh, that was left. And this is right. Take a note of this, it's very important if you want to solve the cube again. Alright, now I'll see you on step 3, where we make the yellow cross and the yellow side. See you there.